Welcome to Aabinandan Academic. My dear students, the chapter 9, the differential equations. So in this video, they discussed about what's the meaning of differential equations and again the classification of differential equations and the definition of order and the degree, that concept based on the problems. Is clear? So my dear students, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for regular updates of my channel videos. Is clear? So chapter 9, the differential equation. First definition, what is meant by differential equations? Is clear? So you know that equation definitions. Okay, equations, you know that algebraic equation, trigonometric equation. For example, so you know that here x plus 2y is equal to some equation. Okay, here this equation is called the algebraic equations. Is clear? So you know the definition of equation, that is algebraic equations. Next here x plus sine theta plus cos theta will come. So equations will come to trigonometry value. This equation is called the trigonometrical equation. You know that. Is clear? Same way here now you will find out equations involve the differential concept dy by dx plus y is equal to 4. Is clear? So this type of equation is called the differential equation. So first equation, you know that algebraic equations. Again, equation involving trigonometrical concept means that the equation is called the trigonometrical equations. Same equation involving differential concept, that is meaning y is a dependent variable, x is a independent variable. So the differential concept should be involving any equation. The differential concept should be involving this particular equation is called the differential equations. See that what's the definitions? A equation involving derivatives, okay, derivative or derivatives of dependent variable with respect to the independent variable. So dy by dx, y is a dependent variable, x is a independent variable. So any equation involving derivatives or derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable is called the differential equations. Here this equation is called the differential equation. So another one more example. So you know that here d squared y by dx squared plus y into dy by dx is clear, is equal to some constant, here something value. Is clear? So y is a dependent variable, x is a independent variable. So any equation involving differential concept, that particular equation is called the differential equations. Is clear? So next, classification of differential equations. In differential equation, I divided by the two parts. The first one, ordinary differential equation. Second one is called the partial differential equations. Ordinary differential equation, partial differential equation. What's the difference of ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation? This is very important. See, you know that the particular equation dy by dx is clear in a differential equations. So y is a dependent variable, x is a independent variable. So now a dependent variable, okay, depends only one independent variable. A dependent variable contains only one independent variable is called the ordinary differential equation. See that a differential equations in dependent variable depends on the only one independent variable is called the ordinary differential equations. Is clear? So you see that I give the one example. Okay, example. So the given the problem, dependent variable I say that y and the independent variable I will say that x. So I will choose here dy by dx plus y is equal to 4. That's clear? Y is a dependent variable, x is a independent variable. So y depends only one independent variable of x, only one independent variable of x. This type of equation is called the ordinary differential equations. Okay, this is a type of one example. Again another one example, d squared y by dx squared plus 4 into dy by dx is equal to here some value of x or y something. Okay, now here the equations, y is a dependent variable, x also independent variable. So y, it depend only one independent variable. Here x only one independent variable, here only one independent variable. So you know that sir, d squared y by dx squared, x is 2 term will come. So this is a two independent variable. No, here x is a only one independent variable, but d squared y by dx is mean two time differentiation. That's already you know that higher order differential equation. That's the meaning of y double dash. Okay, that's the meaning of y double dash. The differential equation two time differentiation. The two time differentiation is depending only one independent variable. For example, see y is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 3. Is clear? So I will given the function y, I differentiation with respect to x means, so here dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 4. So the given function dependent, y is a dependent variable, x is a independent variable, only one independent variable. Again I go to differentiate d squared y by dx squared means, here 2 into 1 plus some constant 0. So same way y is a dependent variable, x is a independent variable. So on the end, that is the meaning of two time differentiation. Okay, two time differentiation only. This is the meaning for two time differentiations, not okay two dependent variable. It's clear? Not a two dependent variable. It is for only one independent variable. It's clear? So ordinary differential equation meaning a differential equations, the dependent variable is the dependent variable depends only one independent variable. That's not the point. Depends only one independent variable is called the ordinary differential equations. What's the meaning of partial differential equation? Same a differential equation in which the dependent variable okay depends more than one independent variable. Okay, the dependent variable more than one independent variable is called the partial differential equations. Is clear? So a differential equation involves dependent variable depends more than one independent variable is called the, what's the meaning? Partial differential equations. Is clear? So the dependent variable I will choose u, and more than independent variable I will select say x, y, z. Is clear? So what's the meaning of the equations called? The dou u by dou x. That's the correct symbol, dou u by dou x. The differentiation of ordinary and partial. Okay, that is a notation is very important. Here the notation dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to some value of 4 or something will come. It's clear? Now you see that u is a dependent variable. Okay, u is a dependent variable. Now the u depends more than one independent. What available? The u I got a differentiation with respect to x. Again u I get differentiation with respect to y. Again u differentiation with respect to z also. So one dependent variable more than independent variable is called the partial differential equation. So same way here also dou squared u by dou x dou y. That is the meaning u is a function differentiation with respect to x. Again differentiation with respect to y also. This particular equation is called the partial differential equations. Is clear? So the equation is called the ordinary differential equation and partial differential equations. So ordinary differential equations is depends, the dependent variable depends only one independent variable is called the ordinary differential equations. Again a dependent variable depends more than one independent variable is called the partial differential equations. Is clear? You understood, children?